Hi everyone, and welcome back to English Flow Talks.
I'm David.
And I'm Emily. We're really happy you're here with us again.
In our last episode, we talked about Christmas and New Year vocabulary, traditions, plans, and resolutions.
And so many of you watched, listened, and even wrote comments. Thank you for that.
So today, as promised, this is Christmas and New Year, Part 2.
In this episode, we're going to go a little deeper, but still simple.
We'll talk about feelings, memories, stories, mistakes, and real conversations people have during this season.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
You just need clear, simple English.
So relax, grab your coffee or tea, and let's continue together. The holidays are not just about food and parties.
They're also about feelings.
Let's learn some very common words to talk about how you feel during Christmas and New Year. Repeat after us. Happy,
Excited,
relaxed,
grateful,
tired,
stressed,
lonely,
hopeful.
You can say, I feel happy during Christmas. I feel relaxed at the end of the year. I feel stressed because of work. I feel grateful for my family.
Now, let's make a short conversation.
David, how do you usually feel during the holidays?
I usually feel happy and relaxed, but sometimes I feel tired.
I understand. I feel grateful, but I can also feel stressed with planning. Now it's your turn. Answer out loud or in your mind. How do you feel during Christmas? How do you feel at the end of the year? Do you feel excited about the new year?
Perfect. Simple answers are great.
Now let's talk about stories. During Christmas and New Year, people often ask, how was your Christmas? How was your New Year's Eve? You can use this structure. Last Christmas, on New Year's Eve, we went, we stayed. Let's hear a simple example. Last Christmas, I stayed at home with my family. We had dinner together and watched a movie. It was very nice and relaxing. On New Year's Eve, I went to a friend's house. We ate, talked, and watched the fireworks. At midnight, we hugged and said, Happy New Year. Now you try. Complete these sentences. Last Christmas, On New Year's Eve, At midnight, we... Great job. You're telling a story in English. Now let's talk about some very common mistakes learners make and how to say things more naturally. Mistake 1, I did a party. Not natural. Say, I had a party. Mistake 2, I passed Christmas with my family. Instead, say, I spent Christmas with my family. Mistake 3, I'm very animated for New Year. Better, I'm very excited about the new year. Repeat the correct sentences. I had a party. I spent Christmas with my family. I'm excited about the new year. Let's practice more natural small talk.
These are questions real people ask.
So, how was your Christmas?
It was nice. I stayed home and relaxed. What about yours?
It was good, but a little busy.
2. Are you excited about the new year?
Yes, I am. I feel hopeful. How about you?
A little nervous, but excited.
Answer. How was your Christmas? Are you excited about the new year? Many people make big resolutions.
But sometimes simple goals are better.
This year, I want to focus on
I want to improve little by little.
I don't want perfection. I want progress.
Emily, what's one realistic goal for you?
I want to practice English a little every day.
That's a great goal.
Complete. This year, I want to. A small goal for me is to. Now, here's your final challenge.
Write a short paragraph in English. Use this structure. Last Christmas, I. On New Year's Eve, I. This year, I want to.
If you're watching on YouTube, write it in the comments.
We read them and we love seeing your progress.
Remember, learning English is a journey.
And you're already on the right path.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us.
Merry Christmas.
And Happy New Year from all of us at English Flow Talks.